Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. And in this video, you are going to learn how you can connect your Razorpay payment gateway with a CRM and work management application called as TeamLeader. And we are going to do this with the help of automation, which is designed and created to save your manual efforts and your time. So let me show you how this is going to work. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As and when you receive a payment via Razorpay payment page from any customer, the same customer will be added as a new contact here in TeamLeader. Okay, and to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, here you don't have to manually sort out the details of your customer and put the customers one by one as contacts and TeamLeader. As and when you receive a payment, the same person is going to be added as contact in TeamLeader automatically. Okay, and guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it will run automatically. Okay, so now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. And for that, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, and after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And on this page, guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as add Razorpay customers as contacts in TeamLeader application. Okay, so now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these things. So the trigger is the happening of any event that is going to trigger this workflow, and the action is the response to the trigger. Okay, so as in our use case, the trigger would be a payment happening from Razorpay payment page, and the action or the response towards that trigger would be to add the person who have made the payment as contact in TeamLeader. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application first, which is Razorpay in our case. Okay, and then you have to select the trigger event as, let's say, payment captured. So it will trigger this workflow when the status of the payment is changed to captured. Okay, right, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from an external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So we are first going to connect our Razorpay payment page with this URL by following these instructions written here. So you can read these instructions written here. Let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, you have to click on copy. Okay, then you have to reach the dashboard of Razorpay. From here, when you scroll down on this left hand side panel, you will find this settings option. Click on settings. Okay, under this settings page, you will find this webhooks tab. Click on webhooks. Okay, and here you can add a new webhook. So just click here on this add new webhook button to add a new webhook, and here in this webhook URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from here. Okay, so I have pasted the webhook URL, and now here in this active events, you have to select this event which is called payment.captured. So when you scroll down here, you will find this payment.captured option. Just click here on this checkbox and then click on create webhook. Okay, so a new webhook is saved here successfully. Now here you can see in your workflow, as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to do a test submissions, or you have to make a demo payment in Razorpay from any payment page, and we are going to capture the data of that demo payment here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm going to open one of my payment pages that I have created for different products that I'm selling. Let's say I'm selling this social media marketing tutorial course. So here is the payment page of this product, and I'm going to open this page from this link. So I'm copying the link and I'm opening the payment page in a new tab. Okay, so here you have to put the details of the customer. Let me fill the details. Let the customer is John Cena. The email address of this person is this, the phone number is this, and the details are here. Okay, and this is the price of this product. Okay, now I'm going to click on pay here, and you can see we are in test mode. This is not an original payment, this is a test payment, so I'm using test card details here. Okay, and the expiry. So these are the test card details I'm entering. This is not a real payment. Okay, and I'm clicking on pay now, and our demo bank page will load here, and here you have to click you have to enter the OTP, and here I'm going to put the OTP, which is the demo OTP, of course, and I'm clicking on submit here, and you can see the payment is successful here. Okay, now let's see if we captured the data of this payment in Pabbly Connect, and here you can see the data of the payment captured here like this. Okay, here you can see the details of the payment, the person who have done this payment. Here are the details. Okay, so we have captured the details of the customer and the payment. Now I want to add the same customer as a contact in TeamLeader application here. Okay, so to make this happen, you have to connect your TeamLeader application here in the section step. So from this choose app field, now you have to choose the another application, which is TeamLeader. Select TeamLeader here, and in the action event you have to select create contact option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with TeamLeader. Okay, so it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in TeamLeader, it got connected automatically. Okay, now it is asking for these things. You can see the first name, the salutation, the email, the telephone number. Okay, so you have to give all these things. So I'm going to map these things from this first step in which we have collected the details of the person and the payment. Okay, to map the data, you just have to click here on this first name, and you will find this Razorpay payment captured option in the drop down, and from here you can map the first name of the person. This is the first name. For the last name, use the same way. This is the last name. Okay, salutation, you can put the salutation manually here. Okay, and for the email, follow the same process. Here is the email. For the phone number, actually we have only one number, which is the mobile number, so I'm going to map mobile number in both of these columns, in the phone number section and the mobile number section. So here you can see it is asking the fax details and the website details also, but generally you do not get these kind of details via Razorpay or from any payment page. So I'm going to choose another action step here, which is create contact. You can see here we have create contact, which we selected. Now you can select this action event, create contact with primary address. Okay, so you have to fill less details in this case. So let me make the connection again with TeamLeader. Okay, so we are connected again. You can see now it will ask for these 3-4 things only. Okay, so let me map the details here. So here you can see I have mapped all the details required to create a contact, and here in this gender section you can select the gender if you want, and here in the remarks you can give any remark to this customer. I'm giving the remark as Razorpay. Okay, right, and now you can select the marketing mails consent. So If this percent is coming from any consent, that means if he's subscribed, you can make it true or false. So I'm making it false right now because we are getting this lead from a payment page, not from any subscription form. Okay, so you can put a tag here as prospect also according to your need, right? And you can check your connection with TeamLeader by clicking here on save and send test request, and a new, as I'm going to click here, a new contact will be added here in this section in TeamLeader application. So I'm clicking here on save and send test request. So here you can see it is showing this kind of response. Now let's check in TeamLeader application if we got a new contact. So here is my TeamLeader application. Let me refresh this page and let's check if we got the data. And you can see John Cena is added here like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And we are done setting up this automation. So guys, you have to set up this automation only once. You have to make the connections like these only once, and after that you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, as and when you are going to receive a payment via Razorpay, the person who is making this payment will be added here automatically in TeamLeader. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger section, I connected Razorpay with the help of this webhook URL and fetch the demo details of a demo payment here like this. Okay, after that I connected in the actions tab TeamLeader with this action event create contact with primary address and map the details required to create a contact in TeamLeader, and we have seen that our connection was working fine. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.